Hello, yeah, I'm really excited to see what they've done with the plaques today. They were in a terrible state when I parted with them, and there were a lot of wear and tear, and they've just been neglected really. And I just think I just hope they've managed to do something with it. So I'm just going to make my way there now. I feel quite nervous actually.
Hello again.
Hello. Oh, I'm very excited to see what you might have done.
And who's this?
This is my mum. My mum's come with me today just to moral support really. See how you've got on.
Okay. Are you ready to see it?
Yeah, I'm ready. Oh, I don't know what to say. Oh, they're absolutely beautiful. Oh, you're so clever. Oh, they're just like new. They're just like new. Wow, thank you so much. Thank you.